Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to see volume on Thinkorswim. We'll cover adding the volume study to your charts, customizing its appearance, and understanding what the data means. This will help you analyze market activity more effectively, providing crucial insights into price movements. You'll learn to quickly identify periods of high and low trading interest, enhancing your overall trading strategy. To add volume, first open your chart settings by clicking the gear icon or pressing Ctrl+S. Then, navigate to the Equities tab or the relevant tab for your market type, and ensure the Show Volume subgraph option is checked. This will display the volume bars, typically below your main price chart. Remember to apply these changes to see the volume appear. Once volume is on your chart, you can customize its look. Go back to Chart Settings and select the Appearance tab. Here, you can change the color of the volume bars or set them to match your candlestick colors. You also have the option to overlap the volume directly onto the price chart or keep it in a separate subgraph below, depending on your preference. Interpreting volume is key to its utility. High volume often confirms the strength of a price move, whether it's a trend continuation or a reversal. Conversely, low volume can suggest indecision or a lack of conviction in the market. By observing volume alongside price action, you gain valuable context, helping you understand the supply and demand dynamics at play and make more informed trading decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.